Goodbye kidney trouble. These 11 bedtime drinks could save your life. Your kidneys are working silently right now. Non-stop. Every single day, they filter more than 50 gallons of blood. That's about 180 liters. And they're doing all of it to protect you. They remove waste, balance your fluids, keep your electrolytes in check, and even help control your blood pressure. But here's the scary part. When your kidneys start to struggle, you probably won't even feel it, not until things get serious. Most of the time, there are no warning signs. Just slow, quiet damage happening deep inside your body. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to support your kidneys, and you can start tonight? Recent research is uncovering something pretty amazing. Drinking certain natural ingredients before bed doesn't just hydrate you. It may actually help flush out toxins, lower creatinine levels, reduce inflammation, and even help your kidneys heal. One particular drink helped people with early-stage kidney issues reduce harmful waste in their blood by more than 25% in just 8 weeks. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. 1. Cucumber water. Let's start with something simple but underrated: cucumber water. It might not sound fancy, but this one is a game changer. Cucumbers are about 95% water, which makes them a hydration powerhouse. And proper hydration is one of the best things you can do for your kidneys. But it doesn't stop at water. Cucumbers are loaded with antioxidants and compounds that help your body lower creatinine and urea levels, two waste products your kidneys constantly work to remove. When those levels are high, it's a sign your kidneys are under stress. Cucumber water supports your kidneys gently. No extra pressure, just refreshing hydration. Studies have also shown that cucumber extracts fight oxidative stress and inflammation, both major contributors to kidney damage. Sip it before bed, and while you sleep, your kidneys get a chance to recover. Just slice up a cucumber, drop it in filtered water, let it sit, and drink. That's it. 2. Barley water. Next up, barley water, a traditional remedy that deserves way more attention. Barley is rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, and when you boil it into water, it creates a drink that soothes your digestive system and gives your kidneys a boost. Barley water acts as a mild diuretic, meaning it helps your body produce more urine naturally without stressing your kidneys. That means more toxins flushed out while you sleep. It also helps reduce calcium and oxalate buildup, two culprits behind painful kidney stones. To make it, rinse a handful of barley, boil in water for 20 minutes, strain, and sip. Add lemon or honey if you like. It's calming, healing, and cheap, and your kidneys will thank you for it. 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is more than just a sleepy time drink. Yes, it helps you relax, but it also helps your kidneys function better. When you're stressed or not sleeping well, your cortisol levels rise, and that puts pressure on your kidneys. Chamomile helps bring those levels down. But here's what makes it stand out. It's been linked to lower levels of blood urea nitrogen, BUN, which is a marker doctors use to assess kidney function. High BUN means your kidneys are falling behind. Chamomile is also packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation inside your kidneys and throughout your body. Steep a bag in hot water for 5 minutes. No sweeteners needed. It's gentle, natural, and powerful for your nighttime routine. First, parsley tea. Now let's talk about parsley. That little green herb in your kitchen? It's actually one of the most powerful natural kidney cleansers out there when brewed as a tea. Parsley tea works as a gentle diuretic. It helps your body make more urine, meaning more toxins get flushed out. Some studies even show it can clear out heavy metals and prevent kidney stones by stopping calcium and oxalate from binding together. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, natural antioxidants that shield your kidney cells. Chop a small handful, boil in water for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Add lemon for extra detox power. And yes, the best time to drink it? Right before bed. 5. Dandelion root tea. Dandelions may be weeds in your yard, but they're healing heroes in your kitchen. Dandelion root tea has been used for centuries to support both liver and kidney health, and now science is catching up. It works as a strong, yet gentle detoxifier. It increases urine output, helping your kidneys flush out toxins more effectively. It's also rich in compounds like inulin and potassium, which protect kidney cells and improve liver detox, meaning fewer toxins even reach your kidneys. Boil dried or fresh dandelion root in water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and drink. It's earthy, slightly bitter, but incredibly powerful. Adding this to your evening routine gives your kidneys a chance to rest and heal. 6. Hibiscus tea. Bright red, tart, and beautiful, hibiscus tea isn't just delicious, it's a kidney hero. One of the biggest threats to kidney health is high blood pressure, which puts strain on the tiny filters inside your kidneys. Over time, that pressure causes damage. Hibiscus tea has been shown in multiple studies to naturally lower blood pressure, even comparable to some medications. It helps relax blood vessels and flush out sodium, which reduces the burden on your kidneys. It's also packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and polyphenol that fight oxidative stress. Steep dried petals in hot water for 10 minutes. Sip warm or cold. Your kidneys will love you for it. 7. Ginger tea. Ginger isn't just for nausea, it's a powerful kidney protector. The active compound, gingerol, fights inflammation, one of the biggest silent threats to kidney health. Over time, chronic inflammation can scar kidney tissue. Ginger also boosts antioxidant defenses, helping your body neutralize toxins and improve circulation to the kidneys. That means better performance and less stress. Slice fresh ginger, boil in water for 15 minutes, and drink it warm. Add honey or lemon if you like. It's soothing, healing, and the perfect drink to unwind with before bed. 8. Turmeric milk, golden milk. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is as healing as it is comforting. The star here is curcumin, turmeric's active compound, which has been shown in early studies to reduce kidney inflammation and even support regeneration of nephron cells, the tiny filters inside your kidneys. Turmeric is also a strong antioxidant and helps protect your kidneys from damage caused by medication, toxins, and stress. Make it with plant-based milk, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, to increase absorption, and a dash of cinnamon or honey. Warm it up and sip slowly before bed. It's cozy, delicious, and deeply restorative. 9. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is famous for urinary tract health, but it's also vital for kidney protection. That's because infections in the urinary tract can travel up to the kidneys and cause damage. Cranberry contains proanthocyanidins, special plant compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract. That means fewer infections, less inflammation, and better kidney function. Drink a small glass of 100% unsweetened cranberry juice before bed. Avoid the sugary versions, they do more harm than good. It's tart, powerful, and a smart move for your kidneys. 10. Lemon water. Lemon water is one of the simplest, most effective drinks for kidney health. Lemons are rich in citrate, which helps prevent calcium from binding to other minerals and forming kidney stones. Drinking lemon water regularly increases citrate levels and keeps your urine less acidic, creating an environment where stones are less likely to form. It also supports hydration, which is essential for flushing out waste. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it slowly before bed. It's easy, refreshing, and surprisingly powerful. 11. Plain water. Finally, the most powerful drink of all, plain, clean water. Your kidneys need water more than anything else. Without it, toxins build up, waste isn't flushed properly, and everything starts to slow down. Drinking a small glass of water before bed helps keep your kidneys running overnight and prevents stone formation. Don't worry, even a small amount won't usually interrupt your sleep. Filtered, clean water, no sugar, no flavors is the foundation of kidney health. It's the best gift you can give your body. At the end of the day, while all kinds of health trends come and go, one truth never changes: nothing beats the power of water and real, natural ingredients. A small nightly habit, just 5 or 10 minutes before bed, can help flush toxins, lower your risk of stones, reduce inflammation, and support your kidneys' healing process. You don't need expensive powders or fancy gadgets. Just simple drinks: cucumber water, parsley tea, turmeric milk, and consistency. That's the secret. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these drinks yourself? Do you have a favorite that helps you feel better and sleep easier? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your story might just help someone else. And now, if you're ready to take it a step further, click the shopping cart icon right below. You'll find carefully selected products designed to support kidney health. These are high-quality, trusted, and tested items I've chosen with you in mind. Take advantage of limited-time offers and make a confident step in your health journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. We appreciate your time and support, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you and take care of your kidneys tonight.